Hi everyone, welcome to SUNKON video again. Let's see glass drilling machine today. We have a manual type and automatic time for options.
The upper drilling head is controlled by a handle manually, while the lower drilling head is driven by a cylinder and works automatically. Both of upper and lower drill bits are driven by cylinder and works automatically. It can be started by a foot pedal or buttons. Both of these two types of drilling machine can equip with infrared rate to make sure drilling precision and precision easily. Glass waste is collected by a drawer and can be cleared conveniently. And water tank is made of stainless steel to prolong service life.
If you have any question or idea about glass drilling machine, just contact us and share with us. Bye bye.